Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Litecoin on your Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app. Then on the wallet section, you will see on the top of the screen the send, receive, buy, and trade icons. And if you tap on the receive icon, you can scroll down and see the Litecoin crypto. And if you tap on it, you will receive your Litecoin QR code and address. And if you show this QR code to anyone, they can scan it and send you Litecoin. You can even tap on copy and it's going to copy your Litecoin address and you can receive Litecoin. And there is another very cool feature. By tapping on set amount, you can choose a set amount of crypto that you want to receive, and by tapping on confirm, you will receive a different QR code, and with this QR code, you can receive just this specific amount of crypto. No less, no more. 345 Litecoins, and if I copy this address or send this QR code to anybody, they can send me this amount of Litecoin. And the third button is share button, which is a very cool way to share your QR code or address on any different platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.